Hello everybody, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can duplicate an image on your iPhone. It's very simple and easy. You're just gonna open the Photos app and then hit the select button, select the image you want to duplicate. I'll go with the key here, and then I'm gonna hit the three dot icon on the lower corner, and then I'm gonna tap duplicate. So it's gonna duplicate the image. So once it's done, I'm on my recents folder. It may not pop up, so I'm just gonna forward to my library. Here you can see that the key icon has been duplicated. So again, to clarify, tap the select button, select what you want to duplicate, tap the three dot icon on the lower part, and then tap duplicate. And there you have it. That is how you can duplicate an image or a photo on your iPhone. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you. This has been Lee from Zillow TV. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.